looking at. But how? How to reach out these ideas to common people?
Naithalim, it can bring changes in the world.
Naithalim, you mean education?
Quality education. Action speaks louder than words.
Here comes the bravehearts of my school with an inspiring performance on sustainable development goals. Quality education for all.
I'm so tired of writing. Every day my hand hurts. Nitra, why do we have to work so hard? Hey friends, don't be upset. Do you know we are good makers? Stronger and smarter. If we work hard now, we can achieve great things together. Really? What do you mean? Think about it. If you want to be successful, you must study and work hard. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a doctor and I hate to be a I want to be a pilot and fly airplanes high. I will become an engineer and make amazing robots to help people. I will become a politician and make good for everyone. I will be a soldier and protect my country. We will achieve the goal and celebrate.
Sexual violence, exploitation, unequal distribution. Gender justice is not just a goal. It is a foundation for a fair and progressive society where everyone can thrive. A woman is the full circle. Within her is the power to create, nurture and transform.
I want to share one positive statistic. In many regions, 96% of girls who are enrolled in primary and secondary education and has been achieved over 2/3 countries.
Yes, we are talking about SDG 5. Therefore, gender equality. It is the most important way to support and maintain gender justice and equality.
तो चलो तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझना इनको वस्त्र, जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझना इनको वस्त्र तू, ये बेड़ियां निकाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए तलाश है? तो चलो तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि ले परीक्षा तेरी, कि ले परीक्षा तेरी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए तलाश है? तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है, जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की लौ नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है, तू क्रोध की मशाल है। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, किस लिए तलाश है? तो चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। शुगर हुआ के ध्वज बना, गगन में कब कब आएगा? शुगर हुआ के ध्वज बना, गगन में कब कब आएगा? अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, एक भूकंप आएगा। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए तलाश है? तो चलो तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
Her strength isn't borrowed, her power isn't given. She's a fire that forged her own destiny. Empower her and she will empower the world.
Ah! And yes, I am a boy.
और हाँ, कभी-कभी सबके लिए ये मानना डिफिकल्ट होता है
कि मुझे भी रोना आता है,
कि काश मुझे भी अच्छे लग सकते हैं,
कि पिंक हम दोनों का फेवरेट कलर हो सकता है, घर का काम मैं भी सीख सकता हूँ,
सिर्फ मैं नहीं। कभी ये भी मानना डिफिकल्ट होता है
कि हम दोनों सेम ड्रीम देख सकते हैं। But माँ, Pa, we are not here to win or lose. We are here to live an equal life. So, when you are making rules,
सेंसिंग रूल बनाना हम दोनों के लिए,
and raise us not the way you were raised,
but the way we were born.
equal.
पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः यत्र तासु न पूज्यन्ते सर्वाः तत्र अफलाः क्रियाः. Devatas reside where women are respected. Where women are disrespected, all actions remain unfruitful.
जब यही कह के समाज औरतों को पढ़ाई के लायक नहीं समझता था, आज भी ज्यादातर लोग यही समझते हैं। और बाय द वे, आप किस बराबरी की बात कर रहे हैं सर? आपको क्या लगता है कि कुछ औरतों ने लिख पढ़ क्या लिया, उनकी और मर्दों की जिंदगी एक बराबर है? क्या जानते क्या है आप एक औरत होने के बारे में? हर कदम पर ऐसे सवाल पड़ते हैं जो एक आदमी कभी सोच भी नहीं सकता। पल्लू ज्यादा नीचे तो नहीं आ गया? लोग कैरेक्टर पे सवाल करेंगे। ज्यादा हंस तो नहीं रहे? लोग गलत मतलब निकालेंगे। ऑफिस में काम कम तो नहीं कर रही? लोग औरतों की बस की बात नहीं है ये कह के प्रमोशन रुकवा देंगे। काम से घर जाके सबके लिए खाना बनाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि भले घर में काम दोनों करें, खाना तो सिर्फ औरत ही बनाएगी। आदमी रात भर काम करे तो घर वाले कहते हैं हाय कितना काम करना पड़ता है बेचारे। औरत रात भर काम करे, ऐसा कौन सा काम आ गया जो रात भर करना पड़ता है? इसके अलावा हमें रोज ऐसी चीजों के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक औरत ही समझ सकती है। तब सर, तब हम औरत मर्द की बराबरी की बात करेंगे। इसलिए कृपा करके औरतों को क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं, इसमें अपनी एनर्जी बर्बाद न करके औरतें क्या चाहती है उन्हें वो करने का मौका तो मिलता रहे, इसके बारे में हमें सोचना चाहिए। बराबरी तो बहुत दूर की बात है सर, फिलहाल हिस्सेदारी मिल जाए ना, वही बहुत है।
कमजोर नहीं, शक्ति का नाम ही नारी है। हिम्मत कर, जीतेगी तू, फिर कब किससे हारी है।
That was truly beautiful and moving performance.
No doubt, it is important to take care of our volatile planet, but most importantly is to take care of the people who live on it.
Imbalance in health still exists. Access to the essential health service by 2030 is ST goal. Let's rewind to the past Chandra, right from the early years gave great significance to health and well-being. But over a period of time, we forget the past glory of our culture. Yoga, Silambam, Zumba, Karate. Let's bring them back to our daily lives and make ourselves healthy.
Health, as we know, is not merely the absence of illness. It is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. As the proverb says, if health is lost, everything is lost.
Yoga, an ancient practice that aligns the body with the breath, fostering flexibility, strength and inner peace. Through asanas and pranayama, yoga teaches us the awareness of the body and the mind. Regular practice helps to reduce stress, increase physical endurance and promote emotional well-being. Yoga reminds us that true strength lies not only in physical form, but in the calmness of mind.
Jayati Yoga
Vasudeva Kutumbakam.
What it means, Priyanshi?
The world is one family. The war we have today has only one goal. That is to make the world safe for diversity. SDG goal, remove inequality. We are one global citizen. Peace and harmony. Stop war, bring peace.
Coming up, students of primary, highlighting the importance of peace and harmony.
खुशबू के मौसम आएंगे, फिर चिनार की शाखों पे पंछी घर अपना बनाएंगे। इन राहों से जाने वाले फिर लौट के वापस आएंगे, फिर जन्नत की गलियों में सब लोग ये नगमा गाएंगे। हिंद पोशमार गिंदने गाए लो। सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने, सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने। आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो, हिंद को शुमार हिंद में गायो, जीत ले जो सबके दिल को। ऐसा कोई गीत गाओ, क्लासिकी का साथ छेड़ो, दुश्मनी को भूल जाओ, जीत ले जो सबके दिल को। ऐसा कोई गीत गाओ, क्लासिकी का साथ छेड़ो, दुश्मनी को भूल जाओ। आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो,
think about the generations, and they say we want to make it a better place for our children and our children's children, so that they know it's a better world for them, and think if they can make it a better place.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. It's a place much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. This place where there's no hurt or sorrow.
equality together.
Only in the darkness can you see the stars.
Despite all the darkness, we see hope. Even our future as our present is safeguarded by us.
We have many opportunities before us to rescue sustainable development. So let's arise awareness and act. We are optimistic.
अब
Now is the time to act.
We are the sounds of the streets.
And now it's time to honor those who made us proud with their achievements this year. Let's begin the award ceremony.
I hope you're ready to cheer your hearts out because these achievements deserve every single bit of it.
So local, fire Biradi to the stage to do the honors. LKGC Shreya Gupta. LKGB Park. LKGE Samyukta. UKGE Isai Iniyal. Class 1A Yash Shivanika. Kanish. One C Nakulan. One C Aditi PM. Class 2A P. Kavin Inian. Pedita Khan. 2C Steve Royston. 2C Rianshu. 3A Yes Yarini. 3B Piyush Vishwas. Class 4A Akshara Arun. 4B Ayash Gupta. 5A Krish Yadav. 5A Akshara Prashad. 5B Ish Guru Dutt. 5B Bhargava Kumar Tiwari. 5C Piyush Prabhakar. 6A Tejaswini Tiwari. 6B G Ashwin. 7 P Jhansi. 7 Yamyani Shreya. 8 B Google. 9 B Ish Ashwar.
2023-24, whose determination and brilliance have set a shining example for all. Class 4, Arushi Patel. Class 5, Yes Dhruv Daksh. Class 6, Nishita Yadav. Class 7, P. Jansi. Class 9, Vishwajit Singh. It is with a great pride and honor that we acknowledge the extraordinary talent and the recipient of the Kala Ratna Padak winners at the national level art competition. UKGE Isai Inial. Anushka Kalaskar. Academic topper, Class 8, Pranav Nayak. Our CCAs are not just about competition. They are about discovering the talents and building confidence. Each house has put in commendable efforts, demonstrating passion, creativity and determination in every event they participated in. It gives me an immense pleasure to stand before you today as we celebrate the culmination of this year's co-curricular activity CCA, a vibrant showcase of talent, teamwork and determination. Throughout the year, our 4 houses, Cheetah, Sarang, Sukhoi and Tejas have participated with unwavering enthusiasm and sportsmanship, making every event a thrilling and memorable experience. Each house has displayed remarkable effort and dedication, but today, one house stands out as a winner, the one that has earned the maximum points across all the CCA events. To announce the winner of this year's CCA trophy, I now invite our esteemed chief guest, Air Commodore Vishnu Gaur, Air Officer Commanding 5BRD Chairman SMC, to the stage.
And the overall trophy for the core curricular activities for the academic year 2024-25 goes to 341 points. Goes to Cheetah House.
To receive the trophies, I now invite the teacher, vice teacher in charge, along with the captain and vice captain of Cheetah House to the stage. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion with your presence. It's my honor to invite our esteemed chief guest, Air Commodore Vishnu Gaur, Air Officer Commanding 5BRD, Chairman SMC, to address the gathering, whose remarkable contributions to our school inspire us all.
Rather late in the day, I think the food stalls are beckoning most of us. And before the remaining go away, may firstly, what a wonderful, brilliant and a seamless performance. May I request all of you to kindly get up and give a standing ovation to the organizers and the performers. Now, since it is customary when I speak something, I'll make it very, very short so that you don't have to wait too long for reaching the food stalls, because I've ensured and I've told the children, please ensure that your parents spend some money there. Because otherwise the school was going to make me pay for this. I said no. So I think a lot's already been said about arise, awake, enact and challenge the status quo. Actually, this Kahani is not only for the students, it also goes to the teachers. By challenging the status quo, you are supposed to actually, I would also want the teachers to also challenge the status quo. Not aisa hi hota tha, this is how we were taught how to teach. I think we need to be more and more creative, because the younger generation is asking too many questions. And as somebody said, there are no stupid or dumb questions, there are only dumb answers. And to the children I would say, there are, in addition to being dumb answers, there are also scared cats who don't ask questions. So get over that, ask questions. I think the students are generally not interested in a jovial mood, so there is a small gyan I would like to give to the parents before they leave for the day, because as I was leaving office today, one of my colleagues actually said, sir, बाकी कुछ दो ना दो, बच्चों को ज्ञान देना कि ये सब चीजें मोबाइल वगैरह मांगते हैं. So now why do children ask for mobile? Because ये आदत तो आप ही लोगों ने खराब की. For your convenience, you started giving them these placebos of mobile so that you don't get disturbed. So rather than actually trying to change the children, perhaps it is time for us to start changing ourselves. And another thing about the extracurricular activities for which the Cheetah House got all the prizes, I'm generally seeing that over the years, not much has changed ever since my generation. When my parents are also very skeptical in permitting me to participate in extracurricular activities, primarily because it is at the cost of studies. But trust me, I think I have studied enough. And आपका बच्चा पढ़ेगा उतना ही जितना उसने पढ़ना है. Whether you let him participate in extracurricular activity or do not let him participate in extracurricular activities. And trust me, if I am saying so, I know. I have also not studied more than my parents, not that I'll come sit and study throughout the day. But it doesn't happen actually like that. Perhaps we all need to realize there is more to life than just studies itself. Studies to karna hi hai. You can't run away from that. Lastly, my compliments to the principal. Why the principal? Why do you say compliments to the principal? Because Napoleon said there are no bad soldiers, there are only bad leaders. So if such a beautiful performance, how beautifully the sustainable development goals are covered, my God, I was flabbergasted. Had somebody told me to organize a thing like this, I could not have done it. But as they say, only single Tendulkar cannot come in win a match. So unless and until there was wholehearted participation from each and every teacher. I remember the meeting that we had there, and when each and every one of the teachers had promised he will participate, and it was visible. Compliments. I would be found wanting. If this is so much in the last 1.5 years that I've been here, I've seen the school change phenomenally. And actually the school had no option but to change. Because if we are to get into class 9, 8th next year, and the 11th and 12th, the years after that, there was no way. Now we are something like a landlocked country. There is no space to grow. The single person who has actually pushed the school to move towards class 9, 10, shown the way how the school is to be, how the school should grow and will have to grow, is Group Captain Samson Peter, my good friend, my close friend. And thank you so much for Sammy, for taking time out and seeing and being part of this school function. I think enough has been said already. So the principal says, declare or stand down. But why to stand down one day? 2 days stand down, tomorrow and day after.
I request you to kindly join for a group photograph, please, sir. Thank you, sir, to honor our efforts and for making this moment even more special. May I kindly request Mrs. Shreya Gaur, President of our local 5 Yadi, Chief Administrative Officer, Executive Director, Headmistress to please join us on the stage for the group photograph. Your presence will make this moment truly special and memorable.
Now I'd like to call upon Shubham, head girl of the school, to express our gratitude on behalf of the entire community.
A happy evening to our esteemed Chief Guest, Air Commodore Vishnu Gaur, Air Officer Commanding 5 BRD, Chairman SMC, respected Mrs. Shazi Gaur, President of our local 5 BRD, distinguished guest, Principal, Headmistress, dear parents, teachers and my dear friends. I, Shubham Hedgal, on behalf of Team Air Force School Sunil 5 BRD, stand before you to propose the vote of thanks. I begin by extending a heartfelt thanks to our esteemed Chief Guest, Air Commodore Vishnu Gaur, Air Officer Commanding 5 BRD, Chairman SMC, whose first streak were not just enlightening but truly a spark to ignite the fire of action within us. Mrs. Shazi Gaur, President of our local 5 BRD, ma'am, your presence here has added immense value to our celebration and we are profoundly grateful for your encouragement. On behalf of Air Force School Sulur, it is my privilege to thank Chief Administrative Officer, Executive Director, SMC members, 5 BRD Administrative Staff, Security Section, DW Section, MT, IT and Photo Section. I extend our sincere gratitude to 43 Administrative Staff, SMC, GE Air Force, Sulur and his team for excellent MES support to the school. It's my privilege to convey our sincere thanks to Chief Administrative Officer, Group Captain S. Salva Kumar, Executive Director, Flying Officer Nandini Sauraut, Air Force School Sulur 5 BRD and her team for their support. I humbly extend my thanks to all the dignitaries and parents present here, whose presence enriched this celebration. To our beloved principal, headmistress and dear teachers, thank you for mentoring and leading us by an example. A special thanks for orchestrating today's performances with such creativity and care. A big round of applause to my fellow friends. Your performances were the soul of this evening. Finally, to our audience, thank you for your encouragement and applause. As we move on today, let's take forward the essence of Arise, Awake and Act. Let us rise above challenges, awaken to new possibilities and act with determination to make our dreams come true. Thank you and let's continue this journey of progress together. Have a wonderful evening. Jai Hind.
Rise for the national anthem and end this evening with a great note of pride and unity.
नमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्तर बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
The day has come to an end, but the journey towards a sustainable and happy world continues. The responsibility is within us. Airforce School signing off, promising to meet you next year. The mantle is with you all. And do not forget to arise, awake and act. Thank you. Good night and take care.